Hi there. Here's yet another banana bread recipe that melts in your mouth. To make this recipe, you'll need 4 very ripe bananas. Just peel them and mash them. I already have banana bread recipes in the channel, but this is for all the new subscribers who might not know of the goodness hidden away. Okay, so add 2 eggs, add brown sugar, add unsalted butter that's melted, and then cooking oil. All these ingredients are listed in the description box. Also add vanilla extract, and that is it for the wet ingredients. Just beat those until they are well combined for about a minute, and then we are going to mix the dry ingredients. It's a very quick and easy recipe, no complications. That's flour, 2 cups, and then baking powder and baking soda, and then cornstarch, which is very helpful in holding everything together, and then salt. Again, all the measurements, oh, and that's cinnamon. All the measurements are in the description box, so please do check out the list there, and it's, you can simply copy and paste somewhere. But yeah, mix the dry ingredients and now add them to the wet ingredients mixture. And just like that, the first step of this recipe is done. So stir this, whisk this until they are well combined. You don't have to overmix. As soon as everything is mixed in and it's looking smooth, your batter is ready. We are going to divide this into our cake tins. So I'm using 2 7-inch cake tins because I wanted this to rise nicely and be light and fluffy. So if you end up using 1 cake tin for this, a larger one, you're going to reduce your temperature to maybe 310 degrees Fahrenheit. I will explain more later. So I've divided the batter into 2 and now top it with as many chocolate chips as you want. I'm using the dark chocolate Hershey dark chocolate chips, and then bake your banana bread at 320 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to 1 hour, and it should be looking beautiful like this and ready to eat. So let it cool down a little bit on a rack, and then we will go ahead and cut and take a look at the inside. This banana bread is extremely fluffy. It melts in your mouth. It is delicious. Just measure all the ingredients appropriately and you'll be all set. Yeah, so it's perfect for breakfast or as a snack any time of day. And I'm sure you will love this recipe if you try it. I really hope you do try it. And if you do, please leave a comment with your thoughts. I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.